What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today I just got back from Zoom, and then today we building a pit bike track at Tanner's, and I'm gonna take these bikes out and get them warmed up and stuff. Just make sure they run right. But yeah, I'll see y'all when we get to Tanner's. What are you doing? Oh, okay. Getting excited?
Bro, you're not putting that in.
Yes, I am,
No,
bro.
you're not.
Get excited.
No.
Yes.
You're not.
So update on Tanner's backyard. Come in here. You hit this booter. Hit this jump right here. It always cases it and lands like right there. Then you come in this little S turn right here. And it was super sloppy right here. So we had to we take a fence, and we're hoping that'll give us some more traction around there. Then we're just gonna put in some dirt and just try to pack it down. You blew it out!
Dude, let me. Alright,
Bro, you got. What did we just do, Tanner?
dig up a root.
Pulled that big old root up. Oh. Boy, look at this clown. Rut update. Got a little rut in the face. This right-hander is working out really good. As you can see, she's definitely coming in for me good. This rut's probably the funnest because you lock in there. Then you come right here You just go as fast as you want and get it. You know, you just come around Dukes and Hazards.
Just Dukes and Hazards, just
Just getting it. You better got me my crackers.
I didn't get you none, bro.
But give me my crackers.
I didn't get you anything. You said.
Are we gonna have to like put the camera down and?
I mean, if that's what you want, we can head in the corner.
Dude, I need my crackers.
I don't know.
They're in his back pocket. Look.
There's nothing in his back pocket.
Oh god.
Show the vlog. Show the vlog.
Got it.
So we had to change the plans. We're gonna have a part 4 channel now.
Freaking loser.
I did it. Oh, dang.
No wheels? Question mark. No video, you already know. Oh,
How to teach Gio how to ride dirt
boy
bike.
got his bike fixed.
Yeah,
My boy Gio.
we should teach him how to ride a foot.
He's scrapping, not trapping. He's scrapping.
No.
I can't touch the bottom. I'm hot.
Lane, look behind you.
Hey, what just happened? Oh my! Hey, let me see your hand. Dude, let me see your hand.
I don't want.
The other one.
I don't want to talk about it.
Okay.
Don't put camera.
All right. You got this though.
You understand?
Oh.
Come look at Tanner's line, bro. On the jump.
Dude.
Dude! I'm trying to get the shot, bro. Overshot! What's up, guys? We're at the turn track.
Hey!
Got my boy Colton coming with his four-wheeler. Got my boy Lane. Here's some more of the turn track. The clean rut down there.
Well, we're done here at the turn track. We're probably gonna end up bringing our big bikes down here, as you can see. If we bring the big bikes down here, we can, like these ruts right here, we can definitely get them shaped like normal. Probably drag our bars through it. What do you think?
I think that would be awesome. Bike's broke.